How to make money with Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. Hi guys and welcome. This video will show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First of all, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful AI-driven platforms that helps you generate creative content from digital art to written material. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high quality, marketable content, whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair. Minecraft can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. So let's know some types of content you can create. First, with Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustration, and more. Imagine selling beautifully designed digital patterns on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. Let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. Here we have the homepage. All you have to do is open your browser and dive into mindraft.ea. As you can see, here we have Mindraft, our roles. First, we have EA tutors writer, EA tutors domain experts, EA tutors editor, have EA tutors experts annotator. Then we have blog, about us, fake, login for EA tutor. Then you have play now. As you can see, if we scroll down, we have the definition of EA tutors. As you can see, this is a new role arising from advancement in AI technology. AI tutors are experts involved in AI projects. Their responsibilities include crafting text, evaluating the AI's responses, and conducting fact checks. So here we have some comments of people that give judgment about Minddrift. As you can see, have a child. Charles, you can read it to more understand. Then we have the definition of Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high quality data for improving EA. Then we have the homepage, how logs. You can just see here we have Minddrift, tasks, as you can see, my boss, task statistics, as you can see. Also, we have team. Then we have other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Then we have work from anywhere and anytime, enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Also, we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts, setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Then we have join our talent pool. First, we have annotation, meticulous specialists who administrate the AI projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professional to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative way. Then we have domain experts. We are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to enhance EA. And we have responsibilities, review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. Then we have formulate clear, effective instructions for annotation projects. Then we have develop training tasks for EA projects. Then we have requirement, great command of English, intermediate or higher, can A for detail. Data labeling is all about precision. Then we have readiness, to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instructions. So how you can apply here? First name we have here. You can fill the blanks. Your name, last name, email, phone number, country, linked profile, also personal website. You can also click over here if you are agree that you can keep your data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact them, about job opportunities. Then if you want to submit your application, all you have to do is click over here. So let's back to the top here. Here we have blog. Let's know some information about blog. Or we have here various options like rules and more. As you can see, let's click over here. We have experts annotators, RK in EA, according to the media, and other things. Also, we have insights. Here's why human intelligence is essential for generative EA, industry report, the perception of EA's impact of the workforce. Then we have why critical thinking is vital to developing generative EA. Then we have stories also. As you can see, we have art to EA, email story, and lens story, also Venice's story, and other people also. Then we have podcast also, interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy, interview with Charlie also. So this is for about us. So about fake, we have frequently asked questions. As you can see, we have a various English questions, or we can see a lot of questions and his answer. As you can see, you can click over here and get answered. Do I need AI development experience? What is an AI tutor? What does a typical task look like? How many tasks will I be able to get? Can I be an AI tutor? If I already have a job, why would I want to be an AI tutor? What does the day of an EA tutor look like? What does the application process look like? Then we have pay. How do I get paid? How much will I get paid? About schedule requirement, we have will I need to perform a certain amount of hours every week? How flexible is this opportunity also? As you can see, so then we have selling your content. Now that you are created your digital product, it's time to sell. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock images. Setting up a seller account is straightforward on Etsy. Click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as contributor and upload your image. Amazon also Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. Then we have marketing types. Marketing is key to making sales. You can utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work. Then we have creating a blog or YouTube channel can also help you showcase your work and attract customers. Don't forget to optimize your product listings with keywords to improve visibility. And there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. And hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.